How are people actually making money of AI? There are only a few ways. You are either teaching, there's advising, consulting, fractional, AI, CTO, we'll just say AI officer, chief of AI officer, or you are implementing, or you are reselling for all the affiliates. Those count too. Those are the only 4 ways to make money with AI. You're teaching either co-work for beginners, you're teaching Claude code for advanced, concepts of building an app and building an agent. Those are the things that you're going to be teaching. That's introductory stuff to get people dangerous to get into using the tools, very helpful. And you're going to be teaching one-to-many, you're going to be doing courses, you're going to be doing live streams, you're going to be doing classes, workshops, boot camps, corporate B2B, stuff like that. It's very lucrative. Like you can charge $5,000 to sometimes $20,000 for a training on this, depending on the organization. It jumps when you get into government organizations. Government AI training is very lucrative, I will say. Next is advising, consulting, fractional. This one is the least profitable. John, why is this one the least profitable? Because you are selling your time. A rule in business right now is you do not sell your time. That is not everyone has to have a business right now, but the whole point of having a business is not to have a 9-to-5 because inflation will eat your hourly rate alive. There is no way you can hourly rate your way to making FU money. Let's be honest, that's not going to happen. So you need to be selling programs. Programs is the same thing as teaching, but programs are usually 6 months to 1 year transformations. Some of these are like, we're going to replace your content automation system. We're going to replace your lead acquisition system so you can generate more leads. We're going to replace your operations tracker so that we can automate your backend operations. We're going to replace your GoHighLevel because it's a bottleneck for your business. So these are transformation programs, or we're going to upskill you and your team in how to use AI and skills or something, some 6-month training program for team training. This is some multi-month engagement. This is a one-to-many vehicle. This is more profitable than doing one-on-ones. As a rule, do not sell your time. You will not, I trust, you want to sell high-ticket programs. If you want the easiest business model out of all, sell one thing, solve one big problem for one avatar for 5K. Go find a 5K problem. A lot of you want to solve like $29 problems or $49 problems or stuff like that. Go find a $5,000 problem. It's going to be towards a business owner at the end of the day. You're going to help improve their marketing, sales, their operation, or their team and upskill them so that their team is just as dangerous. So that, and then you just increase the price for that as you get more transformations in your program. That is like the easiest business model. That's easily scalable and doesn't require you in the end. So don't do SaaS, don't do courses, don't do communities, don't do teaching. Do the high ticket transformation. That's where the real business scales. Next one, implementing. You are an agency. You're implementing, or you could be a consultant and just do one-off engagements. What are you implementing? You're implementing things to improve their marketing. That's replacing GoHighLevel. You're doing things to improve their traffic. So that's doing paid ads. That's using AI to improve their Google ads, improve their Facebook ads, and then also using AI to improve their offers because they have 38 products that are not selling. I guarantee a lot of businesses are going to ChatGPT and Claude and coming, what are the 3 price tiers for my product that's not making money right now? And then Claude's going to give you 3 price tiers and you put 3 prices on your website, low, medium, high, and then no one's going to buy it. And you're like, why is my product not selling? And it's because you need a clear offer stack. So something AI needs to focus on so that you could bring in and ascend people into your world. And then from there, now you're automating your operations tools. So this is your ClickUp, Asana, your Monday.com. So this is replacing those. Traffic, you're using AI to do your AI content automation, and then you're doing your PPC ads, and then your Facebook and Insta ads. Like Claude will build the ads, manage the ads, and create the ad campaigns, so you don't need a marketing agency now. He said it. John. Yeah. If your marketing agency just got you to just resell you GoHighLevel, you're going to be canceling them within the month. I guarantee, like, especially after meeting me. And then marketing. So a lot of these, gosh, is really fixing. It's like fixing the traffic. It's everything. It's fixing the traffic, fixing your offers, and then operations is like, oh, there's so much, because a lot of people were replacing GHL. Like at the end of the day, all those like no code drag and drop tools that promise business owners like automation, but they ended up just hiring someone else to manage it. Now it's a pain in the butt to manage, and it has no automation. So we're just replacing it all out, just ripping it out, throwing it in the trash, and just giving business owners an all-in-one. Thus, this is where all the money is. If you really want to know how to make FU money the fastest way, there's the biggest opportunity right now replacing all GHL. Because I guarantee all business owners that are on GHL, GoHighLevel, they hate it. They hate it. It's not automated. It's a pain in the butt. They're renting their software. They're renting their data. They don't own their IP. They can't sell it when they exit the business. And so business owners want, Stan's like, Stan, GoHighLevel Automation says, what? What did you say about GoHighLevel? I missed it. Yeah, irrelevant. Like, as soon as business owners join my academy, immediately they fire their GoHighLevel marketing agency. They fire their graphic designer. They fire their SEO agency. They now self-host, and then they own their data, and they can instantly get changes done in minutes rather than depending on someone else that has to be tech savvy to replace that monstrosity of the time. So if you are selling GoHighLevel, your days are numbered. That means all the marketing agencies, they know the trash. We all know the trash we got sold. All your clients hate you for keeping them on that horrible tool and not recommending a new one. Oh, dear God, are you doing a disservice to your customer, and you are charging them and preventing them from their scaling. I moved all my clients over from GHL, from lead pages, from ClickFunnels into their own tools. They've added 20% more revenue within 30 days just because it's automated and it's streamlined, because they can actually do the automation they want, the follow-ups, the funnels, and they don't have to require an agency or someone tech savvy with a computer science degree to fiddle with the settings and GoHighLevel.